So finally guys, dumating na yung order natin na Motorola G100. And right now, we're going to set this up para makita ninyo step by step on how to get this working. And so from start to end, bibigyan ko kayo ng guide and probably what are the things na kailangan ninyong adjust for you to be able to maximize tong phone nito. So, let's get it started. So this is the first screen that you'll see pagbukas mo ng phone mo, which is the Motorola G100. So as you can see, you can set yung kanyang English na language. Depende sa'yo, no? There are other English like English UK and others, pero I think okay na ako doon, no? Or you can set to Filipino if you like. So I'm okay with English. Vision settings, na pwede mo i-set, pwede mo i-magnify yung text kung medyo maliit para sa'yo. I'm okay with this one. So, insert SIM card. Kung may SIM card ka, pwede mo na ilagay on this side. Yan. I-check mo lang. Pero kung wala, skip lang tayo. Later, pwede mo naman gawin. You can transfer from an Android device, iPhone device. Pero since this is just a tutorial, we can skip that. Kasi matagal yun. Transferring all of the data. So, privacy security, you can just simply accept this one. Just getting your phone ready. So, since na pag-connect na tayo sa Wi-Fi, so, alamin niya, no, kung ikaw ba gagamit o anak mo, most likely, sarili mo gagamitin. So, it's just going to check info. Since this is a global roam, most likely, ang next step nito is the Google Play Store. So right now, key in lang natin Google Play account natin. So after mag-key in, just agree. Kahit hindi ka nag-agree, agree ka lang para magamit mo yung phone na to. And so next is adjust na lahat ng mga Google settings mo. You can set a pin or not, depende sa'yo. And just skip. And copy up and data. Most likely, kailangan mo to. But since this is a demo, I'll do it later. Yan. Okay, so some of the Google services, pwede ka mag-auto-install or hindi, depende sa settings mo. But for me, okay naman itong mga settings na to. It's okay. So, backup mo, I would highly suggest backup mo. Pero since I'm on a demo mode, skip lang tayo. Tuloy lang natin to. So, let's get contact nearby. Okay lang sa akin, walang problema. Ito, Gemini. Most likely, it's going to be important sa'yo. Continue mo lang, no? Yung Hey Google. So, yeah, these are some of the additional apps na ilalagay niya. Google Home, Google Health, Wallet, Find Hub. Okay. Since Google Wallet is already working here sa Pilipinas, Google Pay, so you might as well use it. Skip lang muna tayo. Don't miss out. No thanks. So I don't want mga spams coming from Motorola, so I'll skip that. So you can use live lock screen, magbabago-bago yung mga wallpaper, pero depende sa taste mo, no? I'm okay, and so just next lang tayo. Well, may gumagamit pa bang button sa inyo? Let me know in the comments, no? Pero I'll go for gesture for sure. Transition, pwede ka mag-transition. So pag gabi, sarili siya magiging dark mode. Umaga, light mode siya. So next lang tayo. So we're done. Finish. Okay, so explore, go to my home screen. Yeah, so good as done. No? So you can share your diagnostics mo. I don't think there's any problem with that. So I don't want to install all of this. So skip lang tayo. Yan. Nakapasok na tayo sa ating home screen. Okay. Pasok tayo sa settings. So most likely you can check yung display mo. Naka-on naman ang adaptive brightness. Can change yung colors to natural or vivid, depende sa'yo. Okay na yung vivid, then you can check screen time out. Pag medyo nabibilisan ka, kasi naglalak agad yung screen, you can choose 5 minutes. Normally ako, I'll go for 5 minutes. So, okay. So, depende sa'yo kung gusto mo mabilis ang refresh rate o hindi. I'll go for hyper smooth. Kumbaga, let's just maximize what we can maximize dito since it's one of the features, diba? So, pwede ka mag-add ng keyboard. Let's say, um, magdagdag ka ng Gboard, diba? Naka-on na pala si Gboard. So, pwede ka magdagdag ibang keyboard na gusto mo. Okay? Sa inyo na yun. And time to time, I would say, dahil naka-flash global to, pag China ROM 100 siya. Pero since naka-flash tayo to global, ayan, nakita niya, Moto G67 power. Yan yung trade-off lang nga niya. So, most likely, wala kang makukuha updates dito. So, sabi naman niya, it's already updated to the latest one. Everything looks good. Pero since January 1, 2026, mga ng security patch, so I guess, no problem. So, pretty much good to go na yung device, si Motorola G100. So, kung meron kayong question, hopefully you can ask it on the comment section. I'll just answer it if I see your question. And kung may natutunan naman kayo dito sa video na ito, how about a subscription and like sa aking channel. And I hope to see you on my next tutorial.